Ever wanted to transform a series of static images into a captivating, evolving visual story? Today, we're diving deep into creating progressive image videos, a powerful way to bring your ideas to life through seamless morphing, engaging transitions, and subtle animations. This technique is perfect for marketing campaigns, educational explainers, or even pure artistic expression. We'll break down the core concepts and show you how to achieve impressive results. The heart of a progressive image video lies in how you connect one image to the next. Think of it as a visual conversation, where each image builds upon the last. Our first, crucial step is preparation. Gather your sequence of images, ensuring they have a consistent aspect ratio and resolution. The key is to have images that naturally lend themselves to a progressive change, whether it's an object transforming, a concept developing, or a scene evolving. Now, let's talk about the magic of morphing. This is where one image gradually blends into another in your video editing software. This often involves creating keyframes for each image, defining specific points in time when the transformation should occur. You'll be adjusting parameters like position, scale, and even subtle warping to guide the visual metamorphosis. Beyond morphing, consider subtle animations. Even a slight move, a gentle zoom, or a phantom fade can add a layer of dynamic energy to your images, keeping viewers engaged without overpowering the core progression. Transitions are your connectors. Choose transitions that complement the mood and speed of your video. A gentle dissolve might suit a reflective piece, while a more dynamic, animated transition can inject energy into a promotional video. Experiment with different options to find what best enhances your image sequence. By carefully planning your image sequence, mastering morphing techniques, and employing thoughtful transitions and animations, you can craft progressive image videos that are not just seen, but truly experienced. Start experimenting and let your visuals tell a compelling story.